Boxes set too far back in your walls can seriously mess with electrical safety and code compliance, and you gotta fix them right. So here's the deal. If the electrical boxes are recessed too far behind the drywall surface, you need to bring them flush with the wall to meet the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 314.20. The easiest fix is using plastic box extenders that cost like $1 each, which slide right onto the boxes to fill the gap. Just pop off the cover plate, slip on the extender, and screw the device back on. If some boxes are tilted back, try to straighten them as much as possible before installing extenders so switches or outlets sit flat. Make sure all wiring inside isn't pinched or stretched while you adjust things. This keeps everything safe and prevents fire hazards, since an improperly set box can let sparks sneak behind the wall. You can order these extenders at any hardware store or online, so no need to pay an electrician, an arm, and a leg for what's basically a simple fix. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, ask for a clear quote on just the extenders and labor. Don't let anyone charge you for replacing the whole box unless it's damaged. And always double check that your cover plates fit snug after adding extenders, because loose ones can cause other problems. One of the biggest mistakes with boxes set too far back is ignoring the National Electrical Code requirement for flush mounting, which risks fire spreading behind walls and voids insurance claims. Another is overpaying for simple fixes when plastic extenders are super cheap and easy to install yourself or by a handyman. Lastly, some electricians or carpenters might cause this by shaving studs or using shims improperly, but a good pro should fix it without charging crazy amounts, especially if they installed it wrong in the first place. To fix these, insist on getting plastic extenders installed at minimal cost, verify all wiring is safe inside the box, and if boxes are tilted, carefully reposition or replace them so devices sit properly flat on the wall. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle these details without ripping you off. Contractors also get connected to real work, making it easier for everyone to get jobs done right without hassle or crazy prices.